Hold up. Before you start your day, let me remind you of something. You don't have to prove yourself today. You don't have to earn love, force blessings, or beg for opportunities. And why? Because you already got God's yes. In Isaiah chapter 41, verse 10, it says, "Do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you." And baby, that means before you even clock in or start your day, before you answer the phone, before you step in that meeting, help is already on the way. So today, instead of stressing about what you cannot control anyway, rest in the fact that God is handling what you can't already. Breathe, smile, walk with confidence. God got you. And because God got you, you got this. Have a blessed and wonderful day. Bye.